Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Slime Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for children to explore their artistic side, offering hours of fun and sensory play that can captivate young minds and keep them entertained for extended periods, making it a fantastic choice for parents looking for engaging and educational activities that foster imagination and fine motor skills development through hands-on crafting experiences. Number 5. Original Stationery Sweet Sprinkles Ice Cream Slime Kit. Discover your creativity with this fun slime kit, designed for imaginative DIY crafts. It includes everything you need to make your own delightful, themed slime. Unleash your creativity with this unique slime-making kit, featuring a variety of colors and scents. It's perfect for parties and helps develop skills in a fun way. Enjoy a rich sensory experience with our sweet-scented slime. It includes vibrant colors and delightful fragrances that mimic real desserts, enhancing your crafting fun. Choose this kit as a thoughtful birthday gift, encouraging imaginative play and creativity. It's a wonderful alternative to screen time for any special occasion. This DIY craft kit promotes family interaction through shared creative projects. It fosters teamwork and enhances hand-eye coordination for a fun, engaging activity. What we like. If you love all things sweet and dessert-themed, this kit is for you. It offers a delightful ice cream experience with various dessert scents and fluffy slime textures. If you're looking for a fun, creative craft that smells as good as it looks, this is a fantastic choice for imaginative play. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors and glitter, allowing for creative slime making. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The slime is stretchy and not sticky, making it fun to play with. Number 4. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique slimes. This 31-piece kit provides everything you need to create custom slime. You can personalize it with various scents, mix-ins, and decorations for a truly unique experience. This isn't just a slime toy, it's a complete arts and crafts experience. It encourages hands-on learning, decision-making, and the development of fine motor skills. Dive into a world of sensory play with stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors. Mix, stretch, and create endless possibilities for fun and crafting. Looking for a creative gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container to keep everything organized for future fun. What we like. For those who enjoy a comprehensive DIY experience, this kit stands out with its 31 pieces and customizable textures. If you like having a variety of mix-ins and scents, like the cherry scent, to create truly unique slimes, this set offers endless creative possibilities for hands-on fun. What people say. This slime kit is packed with a variety of colors and add-ins, allowing for endless creative possibilities. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for kids to create different types of slime. The slime produced is stretchy, non-sticky, and holds its shape well, which is great for playtime. Number 3. Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. Embark on a cosmic adventure with this amazing slime kit, ideal for kids aged 8 to 12. Create mesmerizing galactic designs with included glow-in-the-dark stars. Discover the joy of crafting with glittery pink, purple, and blue slimes. This kit offers a variety of vibrant add-ins for endless fun. Foster creativity and imaginative play with this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. It provides essential supplies for hours of entertainment and crafting sparkling mementos. This slime kit is an excellent choice for gifts, offering engaging activities and creative exploration. It serves as a cherished memento for any young crafter. This make-your-own slime kit includes everything needed for a fun and creative experience. It's perfect for those who enjoy vibrant crafting. What we like. If your child is fascinated by space and the cosmos, this kit is an absolute must-have. It features glow-in-the-dark elements and galactic glitter for a truly mesmerizing, out-of-this-world crafting experience. If you're looking for a unique and visually stunning slime kit that sparks imagination, this one will definitely impress. What people say. It comes packed with tons of colors, glitter, scents, mix-ins, and everything kids need to make really cool galaxy-style slimes. The glow and glitter effects look awesome, and there's a huge variety of textures so they never got bored. You can make a variety of different really cool slimes with pretty colors, sparkles, foam balls, glow in the dark. It even comes stickers and glow in the dark stars. Number 2. National Geographic Mega Slime Kit and Putty Lab. Get ready for an explosion of fun with the National Geographic Mega Slime Kit and Putty Lab. It's packed with 8 amazing types of slime and putty for endless sensory exploration. Discover magnetic putty, glow-in-the-dark creations, fluffy slime, and more. This kit offers a diverse range of textures and properties to explore, making it perfect for curious minds. Everything you need is included, even 8 storage tins to keep your creations tidy. This hands-on lab encourages creativity and helps foster a love for science. Dive into the fascinating world of slimes and putties with our full-color learning guide. You'll uncover incredible facts about these squishy, stretchy substances. Our formulas are quality-tested and completely non-toxic, ensuring safe play for kids and adults alike. It's a fantastic STEM activity or gift that provides hours of entertainment. We are committed to providing the highest quality hands-on science toys. Experience the joy of learning through play with our exceptional products and service. What we like. This kit is perfect for the budding scientist who loves to explore and experiment. With 8 different types of slime and putty, including magnetic and glow-in-the-dark varieties, it offers a deep dive into the science behind these fun substances. If you're looking for an educational and engaging STEM activity that provides a wide range of textures and properties to discover, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. You get multiple types of slime and putty, including magnetic putty, which instantly became the wow factor for him. Each texture feels different, so he didn't get bored moving from one activity to the next. Everything is laid out clearly, and the steps are simple enough that my nephew could participate instead of just watching. He loved helping mix things together and seeing how it transformed into slime. It really felt like a mini science experiment rather than just a toy. The quality of the materials feels solid, and there was plenty included to make multiple batches. It didn't feel skimpy or like a one-and-done activity. Number 1. Original Stationery Bubble Tea Slime Kit. Dive into a world of endless creativity with this amazing slime kit. It has everything you need to craft imaginative slime creations, perfect for young slime enthusiasts. Encourage creativity and cognitive development with this DIY kit. Inspire vibrant color exploration as you craft personalized slime masterpieces. Embark on a creative adventure with portable slime containers and keyrings. Take your cute slime creations anywhere, making it perfect for travel. Surprise young slime enthusiasts with a delightful unboxing experience. It's an excellent choice for birthdays, combining fun and imaginative exploration. Explore the world of sensory play with this food-themed slime kit. It encourages imaginative exploration while fostering skill development. Discover a variety of scent combinations to personalize your slime. Mix and match to create unique and delightful aromas. What we like. If you're a fan of bubble tea and love creative crafts, this kit brings the fun of a tea shop right to your fingertips. It offers a unique theme with delightful scents and comes with portable containers, perfect for on-the-go fun. If you're looking for a creative gift that combines a popular trend with sensory play, this bubble tea slime kit is a fantastic option. What people say. You receive a lot of stuff, so it is great value for the money. Good activity to keep the kids busy and off their tablets. Easy to use and not too messy. The slime is good, not too sticky. The little tea containers are adorable, plus there's lots of fun little decorative ingredients to add. Instructions were good too. Good quality slime, hours of making boba. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.